Dog Mountain here. Let me show you how you play Fruits Game on Meyo. So what you do is you simply log on to your family. When you log on to the family, you simply click on the games icon, which is the second from the one sitting in the bottom left corner. Okay, so here we go. So you see time is ticking down. So here there are only two options. It's either you go by those fruits, check out where there is a one there, those tabs. There is one, meaning you're placing 1 gold. Then the second one 10 golds, the third one 100. So you simply place on one, you click on one, and then it's either you go by that which is right on top of 1 gold. It's either any of those fruits will actually be the one on which that which is spinning around will fall on, or you go by the one which is on your right, the one which is right on top. You've seen that circle which is right on top of 10,000 golds. Meat, you have a burger there. Okay, so that's how we play this one. Pretty simple. So let's take a look at which one is coming out. Okay, so that one keeps on coming. Let's see if there's anywhere where we can check which fruit keeps on coming out first. There is a question mark there now on the left where there's something like a clock. It shows the records. So you see the fruit that keeps on coming out first is those chips. So if you keep on, betting on chips and then you place more golds, you keep on winning big and you multiply your golds. So you see again, that one falls in the same category. So that's how we do it. Pretty simple.